You're at Kidwell Hatchery, and I came out here to take the broody hens out of the nesting box, and look at the white leghorn in there. I'm probably going to leave her, but take the others. This way they can get out and get some food and be good. Alright, so I took the chickens out of the coop, and I figured out what those stupid ass bugs are. They are red mites. We have an infestation. So I will be, apparently, they bite the chickens. They're blood feeding little fuckers. So I will be trying to take care of that the best that I can as soon as possible. We got one zombie egg. We did give some eggshells in here from our last hatch that we saved. Our ladies are all laying eggs that crack easily, so there's that. Ouch, smashed my finger. I'm going to peek in at these guys. I do not have any cracked corn for them today. Everybody's gotten cracked corn for the past like 3 days. They seem to be doing okay. I'm gonna check their water levels. Hello, Stonewall. Are you guys enjoying the weather today? Yeah, it is mighty nice. Oh yeah, they definitely still have quite a bit of water in there. Her back seems to be healing up nicely. She's not nearly as lethargic. She's doing much better than she was even just like 2 days ago. So that's a good thing. I'm sure that it not being 95 degrees or hotter is also going to do wonders for our locks. We'll get this lock on. I'm going to see if there's any egg in here with Goliath, Old Bird, and Orpy. Hey guys, excuse me. I don't have no cracked corn today, but look, it's all over the floor here. We got one egg in here. It did rain last night, so I'm going to make sure their food is still good. It is. I'm going to see about the Americanas and the gold spangled Appenzellers now. Everybody wants treats today because I've been giving them out so often. But my bucket wasn't ready yet, so that's okay. I'm going to check this coop for eggs. I don't see any from this side. I'm going to look around on the other side. Excuse me, little pretty baby. I was going to call her purple and pretty at the same time. It came out funny. We got to get them some more feed in their barrel. These guys go through it. And I don't see any eggs from that side either. Look at all our old biddies over there. Looking rough. Good Lord, Big Bertha. I thought she was growing back feathers. It looks like she done lost even more. We got one egg here. Oops, sorry guys. I didn't mean to do that. What is that squeaking? That was one of the AM Samani hens doing that weird squeaky noise. I don't know what was going on. Okay, so the chicks definitely need food now, because like I said, it rained last night, so that's a fucking bummer. I'm probably just gonna fill an extra one. Same thing with the waterer. Well, they have water, but it's fucking disgusting. They kill me. I'm gonna take care of that when I'm done with the video because my hands are gonna get nasty. But yeah, look at them all. Their coop needs to be cleaned. It's all muddy. We're working on getting another coop built and having this giant ass run so that they can be free pretty much. Then it won't be so much ick in their water because it won't be so many chickens in a small space. It won't stay so as muddy in there. It'll just be better once we can get them to be out more. So yeah, looking forward to that. The death layers won't have as much room, but they will be okay too. All right, next I'm gonna go into the silver Spitalwin coop. Don't you try to come out, please. I did put a little lid on their feeder from another waterer so that I could try to protect it from the rain because it ruined a whole feed bucket full the last time it rained. So yeah, it seemed to have worked okay. They still have water. We got 2 eggs. Wabo's getting too close. And they have food. Oh my God. Trying to get the hell out of there as fast as possible and I cracked an egg. Story of my life. I guess I'll just give it to them. Here you guys go. Seeing as how it was their egg. Good God. Sometimes I could just be so mad at myself. It's not even funny. At least it was just one. That's about all I got to say about that. I'm going to grab these 2 for right now. We're going to go into the shed. Check on all these guys. We moved some eggs into lockdown this morning. About 20, actually more than 20. We moved 18, 24, 25, 28, 32 eggs into lockdown this morning. So we're pretty excited about that. And there's a quail. The quail eggs are in there in lockdown. You can't see them right now. You can just see the ones that we just put in there. See, those are the ones we just put in there. The quail, I think, are on the next level down. Gonna take a peek in here. Hey, guys. Oh, they need water. And I think they need some food. Excuse me. Yes, they do. Hey. Y'all cannot be coming out. Hey. Look at all the little floofers. Oh, one of them's got some pasty butt. I'll have to take care of that. This one right there, pasty butt. The faster I can get that taken care of, the better it is for them. All right. So these guys are almost ready to be separated. The Americana's a little bit of a bully, but just a little bit. We're pretty sure that quail is a rooster, which is unfortunate because we really need more hens before we can get any more roosters. We have 1-to-1 ratio right now. And if it was a 2-to-1 ratio, hen versus rooster, that hen would be so overmated, it's not even funny. Speaking of, there's our pretty little hen right now. And there's our rooster. I don't see any eggs. Alright, y'all. That is it for Kidwell's Hatchery today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.